If you or someone you care about is charged with some type of felony offense, you're likely scared and worried about the risk of a jail sentence as well as the risk of a felony conviction that can haunt a person for the rest of their life. Well, in many circumstances and in many cases, there are diversion programs that are available that can eliminate the risk of any type of jail sentence and also eliminate the risk of any type of lifetime felony conviction. In the next minute or two, I'll tell you of some of the diversion programs that are available in Will County, Illinois, where I practice. One of the most common diversion programs is designed for first-time drug offenders that are charged typically with a lower-level felony drug case. It's called Section 10 probation. Section 10 probation will usually last for 24 months. It'll require the person to get a drug and alcohol evaluation and comply with whatever it recommends. It'll require the performance of a certain number of hours of public service work, and it'll require random drug testing throughout the course of the probation. The biggest benefit of Section 10 probation is it's a deferred dismissal. At no point in time will any type of conviction enter against the person while they're on the probation. At the end of the probation period, assuming everything was completed successfully, the case gets dismissed. No conviction enters at the start, no conviction enters at the middle, no conviction enters at any point in time, and the end result is a dismissed case that can later be expunged. Another common diversion program is what's called task probation. TASK stands for Treatment Alternatives to Street Crimes. And it's designed mostly for property type crimes such as burglary or theft, but there are also certain drug offenses for which one would be available for the TASK diversion program. However, to get TASK, the person applying for it must have some type of drug or alcohol problem, and the crime that was committed must be directly related to that problem. This type of probation can last up to 5 years, although more typically it runs for 2 to 3 years. Conditions of the probation will always require the successful completion of a drug and alcohol rehabilitation program, as well as payment of certain fines and costs, and compliance with the standard conditions of probation for anyone who's on felony probation, such as meeting with a probation officer. But unlike the Section 10 probation, during the period of task probation, the person will have a felony conviction for whatever offense it is that they pled guilty to. But when that period of probation is over with, the judge can enter an order vacating the conviction and dismissing the case. There are a handful of other diversion programs available in Will County that would allow a person to avoid a lifetime felony conviction, such as Veterans Court, designed for honorably discharged veterans, mental health court, available to those who enter the criminal justice system with some type of mental health problem, and drug court, designed for those with significant drug problems or alcohol problems and who otherwise would not be able to obtain Section 10 probation or task probation. If you or someone you care about is charged with some type of felony in Will County, Illinois, and would like more information on any potential diversion program that might be available to you in that particular situation, please feel free to give me a call.